Hi, I'm Amber from Amber's Craft Week blog, and welcome back to the Heyday Challenge, where we go through different prompts from the book Heyday and do little activities related to them. So for February 2nd, alert, alert, alert! Valentine's Day is approaching. Making and giving and getting Valentine's cards are some of the best things ever. Better than those other holidays because no one says you have to give cards. It's totally your prerogative. 1. Write cute things in them. 2. Copy sayings from an E.E. Cummings poem. 3. Make your thumbprints into hearts by dipping your thumbs in red food coloring or eating a bunch of red pistachios and pressing on paper. 4. Paint candy hearts and glitter I love yous. And best of all, give them to everyone you know, even your dog. It's amazing how many smiles you'll get when you give Valentines. So as you probably guessed from today's prompt, we're going to be making Valentine's cards. And in particular, we're going to be making conversation heart Valentine's cards. So to do this, we're going to need a few different supplies. We're going to need some pastel colored cardstock, a sheet of plain white cardstock, double-sided tape or glue, a pink gel pen. It doesn't have to be a gel pen, but some kind of pink or red writing implement, and a pair of scissors. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut out a bunch of little heart shapes. To speed up the process, I used my Silhouette Cameo to cut out my hearts for me, but if you don't have a die cutting machine, you can just use scissors. Once we have our hearts cut out, we can either make up our own sayings or look online for some of the sayings they have on conversation hearts. I just googled conversation heart sayings or phrases or something like that and came up with a bunch of them. And so then we're going to write them on in pink gel pen. So I've already done most of them, but we got one last one to do, so let's do that real quick. And there we are, we have our sayings. So from here we're going to take our white cardstock and fold it in half. Line up our corners as best as we can. So once we have our card folded, we're going to take our candy heart shapes and lay them down on the front of our card. And once we find a pattern that we like, we can go ahead and tape or glue them down. And feel free to play around, use an arrangement of your choice. You don't have to use the same one that I did. Just make a little pattern that you like. Now once you've glued or taped down your hearts, all you have left to do is write a little message on the inside and you're done. Now if you're a longtime follower of my craft blog, or if you saw my traditions video earlier in the series, you're probably thinking, but wait Amber, I thought you did zombie stuff for Valentine's Day. And you would be correct. So if you want to see a zombified version of this card, head on over to my craft blog, which I'll link down below. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd love it if you'd give it a like. If you want to see more videos in the Heyday series, then you may want to subscribe. And if you just want more crafts, then you can hop on over to my craft blog, amberscraftweek.blogspot.com, for all sorts of crafts. Thanks for watching and have a great day!